And because they're almost like shaving cream. And I use shaving cream with Lucas for sensory issues. So let's see how it works and see if he wants to do it. What's that? Paint. Paint. It's pink paint. He's very hesitant, but there he goes. Make a pretty flower. Pretty, pretty flower. Good. Come on. I'll go behind you and I'll help you. Watch. Ready? Come here. Good job. It's all right. You gonna color Mommy's hand? All right, say bye-bye, Lucas.